to exercise at home. Naku, kailangan ko to. And I'm excited to learn with you, Coach Cheng Gilyarte. Take it away po.
Hello, thank you Coach Je. Ayan, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. All over the Philippines and kung merong ng international, good morning, magandang tanghali, good evening. Ayan, so welcome po ulit sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. So I would like to share po ang aking Herbalife journey sa inyo po. So ako po si Cheng Gilyarte, 32 years old. So ginamit ko po yung products sa weight loss, sa sports nutrition as a Dragon Boat athlete, and sa aking two pregnancies with the approval of my OB. And up until now na nagbe-breastfeeding sa aking second child, 3 years now. So grabe, amazing. So, bonus na lang po yung total weight loss na 60 pounds. What I really love about is yung energy na nagain ko and yung community na nahanap ko tulad na meron tayo ngayon umaga. So, ayan. And of course, to name of my favorite products like NRG, Extracal, Herbalife line, Formula 2 vitamins and minerals, personalized protein powder, Nightworks, Rebuild Strength, Cell Complex, and our very own new product, Active Fiber Complex. Kasi ang sarap niya and ang lakas makatami trim. Ayan. And ang background ko po before, I am a special education teacher, a licensed teacher. So, with that work po, nakadevelop po ako ng stress eating habits and of course, maraming deadlines and inuuwi pa rin po yung work sa bahay and I have a fixed salary. But because of this Herbalife opportunity, I was able to um, develop naman yung healthy eating habits. I have my time freedom. I can be a present parent right now. Anytime, anywhere, I can do Herbalife. And of course, yung financial freedom. Ayan. So, see you all sa ating mga next events. I'm excited to grow with Herbalife. So now let's start po sa ating topic for today. This is by Samantha Clayton. Don't forgo fitness. Creative ways to exercise at home. Ayan. So, sino po ba dito ang nag exercise 3 times a week? Pakitype po dyan 3. Sino naman po nag exercise ng one times, one time lang sa isang buong linggo? So, patype po dyan 1. Ayan. Nice. So, Samantha Clayton is our Vice President in Worldwide Sports Fit Performance and Fitness, of course, in Herbalife. So, first, ito po, you can try free online workouts, di ba? So if you try this, of course, in the combination ng ating balanced nutrition, anong mabe-benefit natin dito? Meron tayong overall sense of well-being, may improve, of course, yung body composition kasi you are combining exercise and a balanced nutrition. And, of course, positively impact your body confidence. Kasi nararamdaman mo na lumalakas ka, nagsusweat ka, di ba? So malaking tulong talaga yung exercise. And where can we get these free online workouts? So you can go to Herbalife Video Library. Kung nakikita nyo po sa right side ng screen, ayan po yung example kung makikita nyo po. Pag sinerch nyo po si Herbalife Video Library, on the other side, you can see the Herbalife Fitness. You have the beginner routines, may intermediate, may advanced. And meron din pong mga targeted exercise if you want your butt, your legs, your abs, di ba? Your upper body, meron po dyan lahat. You will just follow it. And this Herbalife Video Library is open to Herbalife members. And what's um, good news, meron din naman pong open for non-members or our customers, our clients. You go to YouTube and search the Herbalife YouTube channel. You just type Herbalife and you will see there the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. And then, makikita nyo po dyan, marami pong iba't ibang categories. Meron po sa nutrition, sa fitness, may mga recipes. So, talagang kompleto po talaga siya. So, this is only for free, di ba? So, talagang wala tayong excuse para hindi mag-exercise, di ba? So, not just this will help us target all of our muscles in the body, not just we do running, di ba? So this is very helpful. And what else? What else is the good news? You can download this active lifestyle tracker sa inyong phone, di ba? So lahat tayo ngayon ay sa phone na, even lahat po ng kailangan natin, di ba gusto natin nasa phone na ngayon? So download this Herbalife Hub, di ba? You can download this sa App Store or sa Google Play. This is very helpful to discover yung fitness mo. Of course, may personalized tracking, di ba? And multi-sports tracking siya, not just for running, walking. May cycling, di ba? May swimming, di ba? And meron din siyang mga challenges and rewards. You can invite your friends to join this or download this active lifestyle tracker para isang group kayo na magko-complete ng mga kilometers, di ba? And meron din siyang mga expert guidance, may customized nutrition. Of course, ayan. We can also connect sa iba't ibang tao with this active lifestyle tracker. So scan now this QR code and download it. So hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng iba pang tracker. All right. So number 2, listen to new music. So alam niyo na ba yung mga trending na music ngayon? Of course, yung mga music na makakapag-boost, makakapag-pump ng energy nyo. Not just to run, but of course to lift more heavy weights, di ba? So para mas ma-push tayo, even sa treadmill, di ba? Yan. So, don't forget, of course, ang pinakasikat ang Spotify, di ba? Doon dyan po makikita lahat ng mga new music, kahit i-search nyo lang po siya. Ayan. So, listen to new music. Yung mga makakapag-pump up ng energy. And what else? Na-try nyo na po ba itong mini stretch bands? Mura lang po itong equipment na ito na meron po siyang iba't ibang levels ng resistance. So meron po dyan, maliit lang siya. So pag sinuot nyo po siya sa legs nyo or tinry nyo po sa arms nyo, medyo masikip. So mas effective po and mas magagamit nyo po, mas more resistance po yung mafe-feel nyo doon. Meron naman po yung mas medyo maluwag. So yun po yung medyo hindi ganun ka taas yung resistance. So, yun po yung levels niya. Meron, kumbaga, small, medium, large. Parang ganun po yung itsura ng mini bands. And you can search this and pwede nyo po itong add to cart sa Shopee or Lazada. This is very affordable na equipment po for resistance trainings. Para po maka-help not just sa it can also help sa warming up yan ng hips, yung glutes natin, shoulders, yung back. Ayan. All right. And what else? Jump rope. Ayan. So this is very this exercise is an old-fashioned way. So halos lahat po ng kabataan yata except po yung mga syempre kakapanganak bagong panganak lang na mga babies lahat po ito ay familiar sa atin ang jump rope. So ito po ay another exercise na makakatulong na yung heart rate natin ay mag-pump up. Ayan. And also, of course, don't forget na mag-warm up 10 minutes bago po mag-jump rope para po ma-prevent yung injury. Ayan. So, you can also use jump rope as an interval style training method. Ayan. Para po sa exercise routine ninyo. Alright? So, kung meron pong nakakaalala ng mga creative ways to exercise at home, pwede nyo po bang i-type dyan? And of course, paano nyo po ba masusustain ang pag exercise So you have these creative ways to exercise at home. paano ko ba siya masusustain? Hindi yung isang araw lang ako nag-workout, bukas wala na. Dalawang araw lang ako nag-workout, bukas wala na. Ayun, di ba? So this is the formula that I would like to share with you. It's the 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. Sabi nga kanina ni Nanay Cecil na number one, 7 pillars of good health, it's the nutrition. So importante pa rin po na we combine our exercise with the balanced nutrition. This is the formula that we will have our 100% amazing results, di ba? Sustainable results. Ayan. And I would like to also share my workout essentials. You can screenshot this para kung hindi nyo pa po natatry yung ibang products yan, you can add it on to your program. So before exercise po, I take Nature's Raw Guarana. So kapag binasa nyo po dyan, energy. So kumbaga naririnig niyo po yung word na energy. Yes, it's for energy. And Formula One shake, of course, with personalized protein powder. Yan po ang iniinom ko before workout. And during workout, I mix this all together, my aloe tea, Simply Probiotic Night Works, and of course, our active fiber complex. Ayan. And I also have my high protein iced coffee para po for additional energy kasi meron siyang caffeine. Basta pag tinry niyo po siya, mararamdaman niyo po sa workout niyo na medyo may lift. Kasi po, yung caffeine po na meron sa high protein iced coffee. And of course, after workout, this is very important. Formula 2 vitamins and minerals para po ma-replenish yung vitamins, um, yung nutrients na iyong na-release, and extra cal for our bones, Herbalife line for our joints. Of course, Herbalife 24 rebuild strength to rebuild your strength. Um that's literally correct. I mean, yan talaga ang sinasabi ng product na yan, rebuild strength. Totoo po kasi po when I am um exercising yun po, nagda-dragon boat po. After po ng training namin na 2 hours, iniinom ko po yan. Talagang wala po talagang muscle sore. Promise po. Ayan. And with that po, pwede nyo po itong screenshot. Of course, I will choose Herbalife and I will say to this good nutrition because Herbalife is a super brand in the Philippines and we are number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined in weight management and well-being and active and lifestyle nutrition. So with that po, let's exercise even at home and have a great day po. Thank you po.
Ayun, thank you very much naman, Coach Cheng. Nako, thank you din ha, dun sa pag-share mo po, pag-direct mo sa amin, dun sa mga video resources, na para pag walang access sa gym, no, or any personal